Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin this evening with news out of the courts. The prosecution in the Everton Beachy Stout McDonald and Oscar Barnes trial was dealt a major blow after the presiding judge, Chester Stamp, tossed out the conspiracy to murder charge.
But as Raquel Porter now tells us, this does not mean that the trial has come to an end.
The judge found that there was no evidence to establish that there was a conspiracy between Everton Beachy Stout McDonald and Oscar Barnes. This followed a submission by the defense, which was argued in camera. But the murder charge remains. Mr. Barnes is represented by attorneys Vincent Wellesley and Ernest Davis, while attorney Earl Hamilton leads the team of 5 attorneys representing Mr. McDonald, which includes his son John Paul Hamilton, Christopher Townsend, Courtney Rowe, and John Jacobs. Mr. McDonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes are on trial for the murder of 32-year-old businesswoman Tonya McDonald. Denverlin Bobler Minot, who is serving 19 years in prison for his role in the murder, testified that Beachy Stout had in 2020 contracted him to kill his wife for a fee of $3 million, but that he subcontracted the job to Mr. Barnes. The woman's partially burnt body was found with her throat slashed in her car, which was set ablaze along a deserted road in Sherwood Forest in Portland on July 20, 2020. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.